Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to understand PIMCore in 2025 and why it's becoming a top choice for enterprises looking for an open source product information management. If you're curious whether PIMCore is worth using for your business this year, stick around because I'll break it down simply. PIMCore is more than just a PIM. It becomes product information management, master data management, digital asset management, and even content management into one platform. What makes it powerful is that it's open source, meaning no expensive license fees and full flexibility for enterprises that need customization. In 2025, PIMCore continues to stand out for its scalability. Whether you're handling thousands of SKUs or managing complex product catalogs across multiple regions, it's built to keep everything centralized and accurate. Many enterprises use it to streamline e-commerce, ensure consistent product data, and improve digital experiences for customers. It also integrates well with other platforms, so you're not stuck inside one ecosystem. Plus, its community-driven updates make it future-proof without the heavy cost of proprietary software. So if your business needs a centralized, flexible, and cost-efficient system for product data in 2025, PIMCore is definitely worth looking into. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more software reviews coming your way.